are the hello? আচ্ছা একটু আমি কথা বলি কোনো প্রবলেম আছে আমি তো পরে কথা বলবো Ladies and gentlemen, wish you a very good afternoon, and I like to invite Honorable MIC to take your seat. Yes, I'm happy to inform that today in this program we have with us Sri Bratya Basu, Honorable Minister in charge of this department. I request Professor Anju Sheth to take Madam your chair, and I request Sri Anil Verma, Additional Secretary of this department, sir, to take your distinguished chair, and Dr. Shanal. So, ladies and gentlemen, wish you a very good afternoon. On behalf of the West Bengal State Council of Science and Technology and Department of Science and Technology and Biotechnology, Government of West Bengal, I feel honored to extend warm reception to all dignitaries, guests and delegates in this ceremonial occasion on signing of MOU to set up the Technology Development and Adaptation Center. Before moving forward, I am very pleased to have this opportunity to say a few words regarding today's program. Traditionally, as we know, West Bengal is a hub of rich scientific knowledge. Contribution of West Bengal in the field of science and technology has put significant mark starting from the invention of radio to Higgs boson particle. The Department of Science and Technology is thriving upon to promote research and development since its inception, and more than 600 research have been funded by this department, and more than 700 innovators have been facilitated to file patents and startup registration. However, there is limited scope of technology transfer in the state. In this endeavor, under the leadership of Honorable MIC and respected Additional Chief Secretary of this department, the West Bengal State Council of Science and Technology is embarking upon to sign MOU with Indian Institute of Management, Calcutta Innovation Park, to run entrepreneurship and innovation activity for setting up of Technology Development and Adaptation Center with an objective of building and nurturing an ecosystem to support SNT-led entrepreneurship. Thus today we have gathered to here to be witness of this memorable event. With these few words, I like to felicitate our honorable guest. First, our Sri Bratya Basu sir, Honorable MIC, and our research fellow scientist will felicitate sir. Now I like to call our research scientist to felicitate Professor Anju Sheth, Madam. And I like to request our other research scientists to felicitate our Additional Chief Secretary, sir. like to request to felicitate Dr. Shubhranshu Channal, CEO. Now, I like to request our Additional Chief Secretary, sir, to deliver his welcome address. Sir, please.
Good afternoon, everyone present here. On behalf of the Department of Science, Technology and Biotechnology, let me take this opportunity this afternoon to welcome the dignitaries, colleagues and friends present here. I would like to welcome our Honorable Minister Shri Brattio Basu ji at this occasion of the signing of MOU between the department and its council and the IIM Kolkata Innovation Park. I would like also to take this opportunity to very warmly welcome Professor Anju Seth, Director of the IIM at Calcutta, for being with us here this afternoon and having made this spared her valuable time to be with us. It definitely shows, ma'am, the importance that you attach with the association with our department and the government of West Bengal, that we are here today to sign a very important MOU that will be mutually beneficial to both our institutions. And also, let me welcome very warmly Professor Shubhranshu Channal, the CEO of the Calcutta IIM Innovation Park, with whose efforts, I would say, he has been in touch with us on a very regular basis, and we have been working out on the nitty-gritties of many aspects of this center, the TDAC, that how it's going to look, in what fashion we can bring it to fruition and be doing activities which will be mutually beneficial to us. He has been running this innovation park for quite some time, and as we would see during our program, which is of course a very brief one, unfortunately, because of the COVID situation, and therefore we have limited time. But nevertheless, I'm sure in his words he will present what we intend to do together. Let me also welcome all my colleagues who have been there to work this out, to work the MOU, and who have been working in different groups, and our scientists from the council, from the department, and of course from the side of IIM, that we stand here for this MOU today. I would also like to very warmly welcome in a virtual manner that we see our numerous hundreds of investigators, researchers who would join with us or who are currently live with us for witnessing this event across the state, maybe outside the state, in the Government of India, Department of Science and Technology, Biotechnology. They are all with us, I am sure, here today on the virtual platform. And it is very heartening that we have received a very warm response from all corners. And therefore, let me now come to the very brief of the objective that we have set here for us, is that currently over 500 to 600 research is being supported by the Department of Science and Technology in different fields, covering at least 13 to 14 broad range of areas and subjects. This research is basically state oriented and state focused in different scientific and technological endeavors. Apart from the research which is going on by many institutional network which leads to academic research and technological innovations. Now, quite often we have found that though our state has a very strong and solid foundation of research network, research abilities, and have come up with lot of innovations over a period of time, and the state holds a very good name. We also feel that a certain amount of push needs to be given for bringing this research and knowledge and innovation to the field level where the general public and the people get benefited, also absorbing certain amount of technological innovativeness that we get from other places and institutions and bring it to our benefit. The Technology Development and Adaptation Center looks forward to actually grasping and grabbing such opportunities, which we bring into for a handshake with the future and potential entrepreneurs, the financiers, the backup support systems, that they also find an opportunity in taking these technologies to the people and for commercialization. The center would basically start functioning from the IIM IP at Joka, where we will identify such potential research and innovations, potential entrepreneurs, other interested stakeholders, and who would come together to develop incubation points, build prototypes, go in for a common facilitation like testings and all, and then I am sure the results will follow. With these very few words, I would like to once again take this opportunity for all of us who are present here and all of us who have joined with us on a virtual network to give a very warm and hearty welcome. With these few words, I'd like to conclude my comments here. We will move ahead with the next part of the program. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Now, before signing off Mo, we have a small video from IIM CP. So I would like to request to have this video, and so it can be shared.
Good afternoon. Honorable Minister Shri Bratto Boshu, Additional Chief Secretary Shri Anil Verma. It's a matter of great pride an honor for IIM Kolkata Innovation Park to be signing this MOU with the state government today. We are confident that we can together promote many technology-led startups in the great state of West Bengal. This will definitely create economic activity, but more important, thousands of jobs for young people in the state. My sincere apologies that I could not be personally present in Kolkata today for the signing ceremony, but I look forward to working with all of you to make this partnership a great success. Thank you and best wishes.
Thank you. Now we are at this moment of signing of MOU, and we have with us our Additional Chief Secretary from Department of Science and Technology, and Dr. Shubhranshu Sannal, CEO from IIM CIP. So we are witnessing a memorable moment of signing of MOU. Yes. Now we are moving forward to the next program. We have a small clippings, a small video message from Dr. Devopriyo Datta, Scientist G and advisor and head of S&T Council program from DST Government of India. So I like to request to start this video.
Namaskar, Honorable
Please.
Sri Bratya Boshu, Sri Anil Vermaji, Professor Anju Sheth, and all other participants, good afternoon. West Bengal is one of the pioneer states which has established the state S&T councils. The role of the state S&T council is to catalyze the science, technology, and innovation ecosystem in a state. The intellectual property right is an important component of the STI ecosystem, or in other words, the science, technology, and innovation ecosystem, which provides the translational value to the outcome of R&D. And definitely, it encourages the science and technology-led entrepreneurship. Now, in this context, and especially in the current situations and the challenging situation due to the COVID pandemic, it is really a matter of encouragement and joy that Department of Science and Technology and Biotechnology of Government of West Bengal, through the State S&T Council and especially the Patent Information Center, in collaborations with Indian Institute of Management, Kolkata, which is a premier management institute, establishing the Technology Development and Adaptation Center with an objective of building and nurturing an ecosystem to support the S&T-led entrepreneurships, promoting scientific research and innovation, mentoring and motivating the youth to take up S&T entrepreneurships, which is very important during the post-COVID economic regrowth of the state and the country. So I, on my personal behalf, on the behalf of Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, congratulate the Government of West Bengal, the Department of Science and Technology and the Biotechnology, the State S&T Councils, the Patent Information Center, and the Indian Institute of Management for this very important initiative. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you. Now I move forward for the next program. I like to request Professor Anju Sheth to deliver your address, ma'am.
Thank you. Namaskar, Honorable Minister Shri Bratoyo Basu, Additional Chief Secretary Shri Anil Verma, Principal Scientific Officer of DSBCT Shri Dipankar Das, other dignitaries present and fellow Kolkatans in the audience. I should say again, Namaskar is the way to say it, and on behalf of IIM Calcutta community, I wish you all very good health and cheer. I'm so privileged to be part of the celebration today on an incredibly important and momentous occasion on behalf of IIM Calcutta. We have had a very long-standing association with the government of West Bengal, and this is a new and very important, incredibly significant new chapter that we are embarking upon. I should also mention that I stand here with a couple of different sources of pride. One, I am the director of IIM Calcutta, as you know, that's why. But I'm also an alumna of IIM Calcutta from a very long time ago. I did my MBA and completed it in 1978, went away, and now I'm so happy to be back here to celebrate the accomplishments of IIM Calcutta, celebrate the accomplishments of IIM CIP, and more than anything, to continue to forge strong relationships with the state to take us jointly forward in this journey where we can all celebrate, reach new heights of accomplishment and economic development for the state. So the ideas that we're sharing here, the reason for this partnership, taking forward innovation, taking forward entrepreneurship in a fashion that encourages the youth of the state to be able to not just self-support themselves, but also to create new jobs for the benefit of everyone in the state. I'm sure this initiative will not only be the cornerstone of advancement of entrepreneurship in West Bengal, but also the start of a new era to usher in technology, growth, and progress. We often say that we need to make the best of any crisis that we face. Any crisis is an opportunity, and in this fashion, the COVID crisis is no different. In light of the COVID pandemic, the new normal has created not just new challenges, but even more important, new opportunities for technology to take center stage. And as Bharat takes a step closer to the new reality, it will become imperative to take these initiatives into all parts of the interiors of the state and the country in general. The need of the hour is to inspire the youth, to energize them, to take on entrepreneurship, to create new jobs, and build a new nation that is foremost in development in the world. We need innovation to permeate the social fabric of Bengal, and technology to be the enabler to offer solutions to these challenges that the larger masses are facing in these trying times. The marriage of entrepreneurship and innovation will be the beacon of this new reality. I feel that this partnership will not only encourage our talented youth to take up social challenges and find solutions, but also to scale these solutions, reach a larger part of the population, and to make the business ventures successful. The inspiration and assistance envisaged under this joint program will go a long way in energizing the entrepreneurial mindset among our youth, build their capabilities and their capacities, and encourage the necessary support system required to ignite and nurture entrepreneurship within the state. There is a reason we think of this as an ecosystem, because all stakeholders, including the government, including institutions such as ours at IIM Calcutta and IIM CIP, and each one of us is jointly responsible for supporting and nurturing these activities going forward. I also call this occasion momentous because it's an extension of a legacy that IIM Calcutta has pursued with the state of West Bengal. IIM Calcutta signed an MOU with the government of West Bengal previously in 2013 to partner with the Department of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises and Textiles to embark on Shilpa Abhijan, which was a movement to foster district-level entrepreneurship in West Bengal. Since then, IIM Calcutta and our incubator, IIM CIP, have designed and programmed and conducted various programs in partnership with the West Bengal government. This includes market scoping studies, development of case studies, Shilpa Shibir Egiye Bangla, which is the entrepreneurship TV reality show, to the Bengal Global Business Summit. We have worked together and traversed the Bengal entrepreneurial journey hand in hand with the government, and we look forward to continuing on this journey to bring even new, greater heights to our accomplishments that we pursue jointly. I wish the West Bengal State Council of Science and Technology, the Government of West Bengal, and IIM Calcutta's Innovation Park the very best for this initiative, and I would like to reassure and re-energize this partnership. We as an institution stand by you in this journey, and we look forward to working together to achieve all the dreams of Amader Sonar Bangla. The time is now. Thank you very much.
Now I like to request Dr. Sannal to deliver his address.
Honorable Minister Shri Bratya Basu, Director IIM Calcutta Professor Anju Seth, Additional Chief Secretary Shri Anil Verma. Today I have mixed emotion here because this is like a baby which we have been nurturing together with the department, the scientists and the secretary, something which is really innovative, which can really change, can be a game changer in our society. So that is, here we are today to sign our MOU to make that happen. So that's the reason I am definitely emotional. Thanks to the tremendous support and encouragement from the from the scientists, the officers who worked with us to formulate this overall program, let me spend quick 5 minutes to talk about what IIM Calcutta Innovation Park brings in and what is a high level blueprint of what we are planning to do, so that everybody would be clear that what is this MOU all about. First of all, IIM Calcutta Innovation Park is a baby of IIM Calcutta. So I call it that we are a startup for entrepreneurs, and we bring theory into practice. So whatever we learn at IIM Calcutta, we just implement to benefit the society. And just to give you a few statistics, in our Kolkata center at Joka, we are currently supporting 50 entrepreneurs. Out of that, 20 are from West Bengal. And these 50 entrepreneurs last year, which is 1920, they have clocked more than 200 crores of revenue. These are all early stage innovative entrepreneurs. Not only that, they have created more than 40,000 direct and indirect jobs, and they have impacted the lives of 6 lakh people. So that is the potential of this kind of initiatives, where we are talking about nurturing innovation, supporting science and technology driven entrepreneurship. So through this initiative, we are definitely aiming or targeting such kind of social impact. That is what is a very big objective from our side. 3 parts that we look at. First one is mindset. We all know that job seekers, we have more job seekers than job givers. So number one is changing the mindset from job seekers to job giver by doing a lot of awareness and motivation sessions. Number 2 is, we know we have talent in Bengal. Lot of scientific innovations are happening at the lab within the academic institutes. Not only the labs, even at the grassroots level. I mean, we go to districts, we see the kind of work happening. So these people have never visited academic institutions, but just by their own experience, they have developed such wonderful technologies. So if I combine all this, we have a large number of these innovations lying there. But the main gap is who take it to the market, right? So first it needs a mindset, and second thing is you need all the support to take it to the market. So this is where I think this partnership would come in, to take those technology innovation to the market, number one. Number 2 is to change or to impact the life of common people. When I say common people, we are talking about the masses, we are talking about the farmers, we are talking about the fishermen, we are talking about the people associated with animal husbandry, the healthcare workers, the primary education. So the very basic, we call the base of the pyramid people, how science and technology can impact the lives of those people, solve those challenges. So this would be the third objective of this initiative. And if we successfully manage to do that, that will automatically create large number of jobs and opportunities for more people. We have seen the impact working with various states, as you saw in the presentation. So I am very, very optimistic, because I have already interacted with the team, and I know that you all are also inspired and motivated to take this forward. And now with the leadership of the Honorable Minister and the Additional Chief Secretary, we can see that kind of commitment. So from IIM Calcutta Innovation Park side, our commitment is that we will work with you, we'll bring in all our experience, our network of faculty, alumni, our students, the knowledge of commercialization, experience working with other parts of the country, other departments of the state, and successfully implement this, I would say, a big socially impactful program. That is part of the MOU. So thank you so much. Again, I am excited and emotional today, and thank you, Honorable Minister, for taking this initiative through, and I think it will be a big success story for Bengal. Thank you very much.
I feel honored to invite Sri Bratyo Basu, Minister in charge of this department, to inaugurate this program. Thank you, sir.
Namaskar. On dais, Sri Anil Verma, Additional Chief Secretary, Science, Technology and Biotechnology Department, Professor Anju Seth, Director, Indian Institute of Management, Joka, Professor Shubhranshu Sanyal, CEO, IMM Calcutta Innovation Park, all departmental my colleagues, scientists, and others, research fellows, educationists, and friends from media. I think, is there any from media? I don't think so. Anyway, and other distinguished person. For yeah, after that, I have made my lecture in my vernacular language, so I will deliver it in my language. Yeah, I think only Professor Sheth will not understand Bengali. A little bit, yeah. Yeah. আপনারা সবাই আমার শুভেচ্ছা এবং অভিনন্দন নেবেন। আজ এই ভার্চুয়াল সভা তো নয় এখন আর, এই সভায় আমরা মিলিত হয়ে বিজ্ঞান প্রযুক্তি এবং জৈব প্রযুক্তি বিভাগের পক্ষ থেকে একটি অত্যন্ত গুরুত্বপূর্ণ পদক্ষেপ নিলাম। আমাদের আমন্ত্রণে সাড়া দিয়ে আন্তর্জালের অনুষ্ঠানে উপস্থিত থাকার জন্য আপনাদের সবাইকে আমরা আন্তরিক ধন্যবাদ এবং শুভেচ্ছা জানাচ্ছি। আমাদের মাননীয় মুখ্যমন্ত্রী শ্রীমতী মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায় প্রযুক্তিকে কাজে লাগিয়ে বাংলার আপামর জনসাধারণের কাছে পরিষেবা পৌঁছে দিতে বদ্ধপরিকর। তিনি চান বাংলায় একই সঙ্গে কৃষি ও শিল্পের উন্নতির পাশাপাশি ছাত্রছাত্রীরা স্বাবলম্বী হোক, বাংলার মেধা থাকুক বাংলাতেই। একসময় বিজ্ঞান ও প্রযুক্তির চর্চায় বাংলাদেশে অগ্রণী ভূমিকা নিয়েছে, সেই সঙ্গে প্রযুক্তির সফল বাণিজ্যিক প্রয়োগে শিল্পক্ষেত্রেও আমাদের বাঙালি গোটা ভারতকে নেতৃত্ব দিয়েছে। আমাদের মুখ্যমন্ত্রী মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায় স্বপ্ন দেখেন সেই ধৃত গৌরব পুনরুদ্ধারের। তাঁরই আদর্শ অনুপ্রাণিত হয়ে আমরা বিজ্ঞান এবং প্রযুক্তি এবং জৈব প্রযুক্তি বিভাগের পক্ষ থেকে আজকের এই অভিনব কর্মসূচিটি আমরা গ্রহণ করেছি। বাংলায় মেধার কোনোদিনই অভাব ছিল না, আজও নেই। অনেক মেধাবী ছাত্রছাত্রীরা নিজেদের মেধা এবং উদ্ভাবনী শক্তির পরিচয় দিয়ে নানা রকম আবিষ্কার করছেন, কিন্তু এই আবিষ্কারগুলির মেধাসত্ত্ব কীভাবে নিতে হয় বা এই আবিষ্কারগুলির বাণিজ্যিকীকরণের মাধ্যমে কিভাবে স্বাবলম্বী হওয়া যায় সে বিষয়ে তাদের কোনো স্পষ্ট ধারণা নেই। আমাদের বিভাগের অন্তর্গত পেটেন্ট ইনফরমেশন সেন্টার মেধাসত্ত্ব নিয়ে প্রশংসনীয় কাজ করে আসছে বিগত কয়েক বছর। গত বছরে এই বিষয়ে আমরা 2টি নতুন কোর্স চালু করেছি। এই মুহূর্তে কোভিডের গ্রাসে আমাদের সামাজিক আচার ব্যবহার এবং অর্থনৈতিক ধ্যান ধারণা বৈপ্লবিক পরিবর্তন ঘটে চলেছে, যাকে আমরা বা বিশেষজ্ঞরা নাম দিয়েছেন নিও নর্মাল। গোটা পৃথিবী জুড়েই অর্থনীতির বেহাল দশা। এই পরিস্থিতিতে ঘুরে দাঁড়ানোর জন্য প্রয়োজন বিপুল কর্মসংস্থান। তাই বাংলার মেধা বাংলাতেই রাখার জন্য এবং একই সঙ্গে শিল্প স্থাপন ও কর্মসংস্থান বাড়ানোর লক্ষ্যে এবার নবীন উদ্ভাবক এবং শিল্পোদ্যোগীদের প্রশিক্ষণ দিয়ে এবং প্রযুক্তিগত দিশা দেখিয়ে স্টার্ট আপ তথা বাণিজ্যিক উৎপাদনকে উৎসাহ দেওয়ার জন্যে আমরা একটি টেকনোলজিক্যাল ডেভেলপমেন্ট অ্যান্ড অ্যাপ্লিকেশন সেন্টার TADC স্থাপন করতে চলেছি। এই কাজে আমাদের হাত ধরছেন IIM কলকাতা ইনোভেশন পার্ক, যাদের সঙ্গে আজকে আমরা মৌ স্বাক্ষর করলাম। মাই সিনসিয়ার থ্যাংক ইউ প্রফেসর শেঠ, মিস্টার সান্যাল এবং টু IIM জোকা, এই কারণে যে এই কেন্দ্রটির মাধ্যমে আমরা বিজ্ঞান এবং প্রযুক্তি ক্ষেত্রে বাণিজ্যিক সম্ভাবনায় যে উদ্ভাবন এবং নবীন গবেষকদের তথা উদ্ভাবকদের আমরা চিহ্নিত করব। তাদের গবেষণাকে সফল বাণিজ্যিকীকরণের দিকে এগিয়ে নেওয়ার জন্যে তাদের সক্ষমতা বৃদ্ধির প্রয়োজনীয় প্রশিক্ষণ দেব এবং সফল শিল্প স্থাপনের দিকে নিয়ে যাব। এতে একদিকে যেমন নতুন নতুন শিল্প সম্ভাবনা তৈরি হবে, অন্যদিকে এই শিল্পগুলিতে বাংলার তরুণদের বিপুল কর্মসংস্থানের সুযোগ তৈরি হয় বলে আমরা আশা রাখছি। মাননীয় মুখ্যমন্ত্রী মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়ের আদর্শকে সামনে রেখে আরও কিছু পরিকল্পনা এই বিভাগের পক্ষ থেকে আমরা অদূর ভবিষ্যতে নিতে চলেছি। খুব শীঘ্রই আমরা আপনাদের সামনে সেগুলি প্রকাশ করব। আশা রাখি ভবিষ্যতেও এখনকার মতোই আপনাদের সহযোগিতা পাব। আসন্ন দুর্গাপুজোর অবিরাম শুভেচ্ছা নেবেন, ভালো থাকবেন, সবাইকে নমস্কার।
Now I like to request Engineer Dipankar Das, Principal Scientific Officer of this department, to deliver vote of thanks.
নমস্কার স্যার।
Good afternoon. Honorable Sir Bratta Basu, Honorable Minister in charge of our Department of Science and Technology and Biotechnology, Government of West Bengal. Respected Professor Anju Seth, Director, Indian Institute of Management, Joka, Kolkata. Respected Mr. Anil Verma, IAS, Additional Chief Secretary of this Department of Science and Technology and Biotechnology. Professor Subhrangshu Sannal, Chief Executive Officer, IIM, Calcutta Innovation Park. Our most valued invited chairpersons and members of various R&D expert committees who are online through YouTube channel, principal investigators of various R&D projects, they are also online. Most distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen here, it is my proud privilege to have been asked to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion of setting up of Technology Development and Adaptation Center through signing of Memorandum of Understanding between West Bengal State Council of Science and Technology under Department of Science and Technology and Biotechnology and Indian Institute of Management, Calcutta Innovation Park. My deep sense of gratitude and appreciation for our departmental minister, Honorable Sir Bratta Basu, for his immediate acceptance of the offer to inaugurate the Technology Development and Adaptation Center, and also for his continuous efforts, constant encouragement and guidance for running the department as well. Even during this time of Corona pandemic, we are fortunate enough that we are getting his valuable time physically. This is really encouraging and motivating for all of us in the department. It must be mentioned that inauguration and setting up of this TDSC by the Honorable Minister today will definitely go a long way for technology transfer and commercialization of translational research of the state to promote technology-led startups. We are very well inspired by your great words, sir. I, on behalf of the Department of Science and Technology and Biotechnology and the entire team of Patent Information Center, West Bengal State Council of Science and Technology, express my sincere thanks and gratitude to Professor Anju Seth, Director IIM, Joka, for her gracious presence on this occasion in the dais. We must not forget that she came a long way from the USA for joining the signing in ceremony of MOU between the two organizations. We remain sincerely grateful to you, madam. We are also grateful and thankful to Mr. Anil Verma, Additional Chief Secretary of this department, for his motivational advice and encouraging guidance, for the scientists of the department and council, for making the Technology Development and Adaptation Center a dream come true. We must mention our deep sense of appreciation for his untiring and undaunting efforts in running this department by considering its manpower as real asset and resources. A big thanks and gratitude to Professor Subhrangshu Sannal, Chief Executive Officer, IIM, Calcutta Innovation Park, for his painstaking effort and support in making the TDSC a reality today. Our deep sense of appreciation for Professor Sannal. Our gratitude and thanks also go for the invited chairpersons and members of various R&D expert committees, principal investigators of various R&D projects who are watching this MOU program online live in YouTube channel. I also convey my heartfelt thanks and gratitude to the fraternity of scientists, scientific officers and administrative officers here together, along with other guests in the auditorium today. I on my own behalf extend a very hearty thanks to all of them. Finally, we must appreciate that an event like this cannot happen overnight. The wheels start rolling weeks ago, and it requires diligent planning and a bird's eye view for details. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very motivated and dedicated colleagues of Patent Information Center, West Bengal State Council of Science and Technology, led by Dr. Mohu Ahom Choudhury, Senior Scientist and Scientist C, who are very motivated, know their job well, and are result oriented. I would like to express my sincere thanks to the concerned team for giving an excellent live coverage to the MOU signing in ceremony through YouTube channel. I would also like to take this opportunity to place on record our hearty thanks to the entire team members of the Council and Department for the perfect and enormous cooperation in the organization of this event. Once again, I want to state that we are all most grateful to all speakers on the dais. We thank you very much for being with us. It has been a great pleasure and memorable experience. Thank you very much. Yes, madam.
With this, we conclude the